Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a quick glam that is mask proof or smudge proof to wear underneath your mask. So if you would like to see how I completed this look, then keep on watching. But before you do, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So first I am going to fill in my eyebrows, because basically when you're going out, you're only seeing mainly your eyes. So I am using NC42 by MAC, and this is the Studio Finish Concealer. Shape Tape as my base today. Next, I'm going to take Uninterrupted by MAC. Next, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place, and this one is the Nubian 3 Coral Palette. I'm gonna take this brown right here. I'm just placing this kind of in my crease and on my lid because I'm gonna use a shiny color. I want like a brown smoky eye. I'm going to use this brown. And I am going to spray it. So I went ahead and added black eyeliner. I just put a little bit on top of my lash line, and then on the bottom, I kind of just smoked it out a little bit. Now I'm just going to put on some mascara. My lash in Flirty. This is my SLR Beauty Mink Lashes. You can find this online at slrbeauty.com. Alright, so I'm just using a little bit of NARS. This one is the Orgasm Illuminator, which I was told that it is being discontinued. So I just used a little bit of that. Next, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place concealer. And I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. So I am going to use just a little bit of the matte foundation by NARS. Just putting a little bit. So you mainly want to focus underneath your eyes and, you know, certain spots because you're going to see this part underneath the mask. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. So now I'm just going to set that with the Huda Beauty Blondie powder. And I'm going to set underneath my eyes. Okay, I lied. I'm kind of setting all over. So once I've set that, now I'm going to go in with MAC Studio Fix. And Studio Fix is a powder foundation. So I'm going to use that on the rest of my face. And that instantly added coverage for down here. I'm just going to bronze my face now, and I'm going to use the the Coco Naughty by Fenty Beauty because I'm looking a little pale. Just gonna bronze my forehead and down my nose. And my cheek area, I'm gonna go a little bit higher. I'm kind of putting that slightly higher as well. Grip Set and Refresh Spray. Dior highlighting palette. Good highlighter. Okay, so now we're going to do the mask test. So, as you can see, I have it on. And of course, it got on my band here. But I took it off, and you only see a little bit of makeup around my nose. And that's because I use concealer around my nose. You don't have to, I just added that extra coverage there. But this is a mask proof makeup application. So if you use powder all over your face, even better because you won't have any problems around your nose area. So really you want to concentrate using concealer underneath your eyes so that at least you look awake. It's brighten up your eyes, and your main focus is your eye section and your forehead. You could bring your blush up That way you can see a little bit of your blush underneath your mask. But this is a quick bronzy look, and there you have it.